explore and experience the humble municipality of Bacnotan and enjoy the fun-filled activities and tourist spots. I am Jenny Butlig and let me show you around the majestic and abundant Bacnotan. Hintayon! Bacnotan Centennial Tree is more than 100 years old. It stands majestically inside the Harkarmay Elementary School. It served as the sanctuary of the Japanese and Filipino soldiers during the World War II. Hi guys! So nandito ako ngayon sa Sabaran Falls sa Arusip, Bacnotan. So Sabaran or Sabatan dahil dito nag-meet ang dalawang falls. Yung isa ay from Santon and ito naman ay from Arusip, Bacnotan. So before ka makarating dito, kailangan mong mag-hike for 1 hour and sobrang adventurous talaga ng daan. But I'm sure that you will enjoy. Umali kayo at Darawan Farm dito sa Arusip, Bacnotan, La Union. Tara na! Welcome to Bacnotan Farmers Agri-Tourism Center located here in Baroro, Bacnotan, La Union that was made out of love for tillers of soil in beloved Bacnotan. So pagpasok natin, makikita na natin ang mga products at saka mga tourist spots na meron ang Bacnotan. So dito sa trade center, pwede natin ma-experience first-hand ang silk weaving. The St. Michael the Archangel Parish was built in late 16th century. Its facade is a mix of Baroque and neoclassical style. It serves as a reflection of God-loving and God-fearing Bacnotanian people. Once again, the municipality of Bacnotan. Hello,